Ken Monkman here with Darlington Driving Lessons Masterclass number 1, Stopping in Traffic. When you see traffic ahead stopping, you want to consider where you're going to stop. We want to stop so that we can see the tyres of the car ahead touching the tarmac. This is the T.N.T rule, tyres and tarmac. This will allow us to move around the car if it breaks down, and it stops us from being shunted into the car in front should we be hit from behind. This will not only help on the driving test, keep you safe through your driving career.